What I want to do today is connect our Google Calendar and Notion apps so that whenever a new event is created in Google Calendar, a database item will automatically be created in our Notion app. Zapier is a no-code tool, making it easier for anyone to automate workflows across 5,000 plus apps. If you don't have an account, there's a link in the description for a free 2-week trial so you can try it. Risk-free. Let's dive in. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap by clicking the button on the left-hand side of the screen. Because I want Google Calendar to trigger my Notion app, I'll need to use Google Calendar as my trigger. I can find the app by typing it into the search bar and clicking below. The trigger screen will then pop up. I should click New Event for my event and click Continue. The first time we set up Google Calendar, we'll need to authenticate it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Google account. Don't worry, it's totally safe because Zapier uses bank-level encryption. I'll put a link to Zapier's security and trust page in the description as well. Once I'm logged in, I'll need to set up the Trigger app's data. I should click the calendar I want my events to be uploaded to Notion from and click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue and we can start creating our action. Type in Notion into the search bar and select it on the drop-down menu. Next, click Create Database Item and click Continue. From there, I can select our account and authenticate Notion with Zapier, just like I did with my Google account. Click Continue and it's time to assign our Trigger app's data into the Action Apps field. First, pick the database you want your data to appear on. I'm going to click Calendar of Events. Next, for the subject of email, I'll click Summary. I'll click True under the Use Date Time instead of Date, and then under my Start Date Time, I'll click Event Begins Pretty, and for the End Date Time, I'll click Event Ends Pretty. Next, under Content, I'll click Description and click Continue. Click Test and Review, and I should be all set. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, anytime you create a new event in Google Calendar, a database item will automatically be created in Notion. I hope this was a helpful demo. Zapier can do so much more with these two apps and thousands of others. Check Zapier out. There's a free trial. Click the link in the description.